Hey everybody, this is Jeff from Smoke and T-Jets. Another part of the website I have is we'll take cars like this that I've gotten off of eBay and whatnot, and I will demonstrate how you can get these old decals off. I will show you, we got a chassis here that doesn't run. Let me turn it over real quick. Guys, you can see it as well as I can. Look at all the oxidation, the green, everything going on back there. I will show you how to get that off the shoes properly. Something I just noticed as I'm looking at it, and I don't know what's back there. It's either some type of glue or waxy something, whatever the heck it is back there. But it looks like they tried to add some type of weight, back-end weight to the body there. See if we can get that out. Again, on my website, I talk you through all these steps, guys, how to get the chassis working. But, right now it doesn't work at all. I don't even know if it has the brushes. I don't know if it has, what it needs to run. But we'll get into it, and I'll show you step by step what to do. And as far as these decals and the guys, I've got a patent method that'll take it right off there for you, and it's easy, it's fun, you'll enjoy the project. Alright guys, click the link below and start checking the website out, guys. I will see you over there.